What we're going to do is we're going to do a larger sort of objective game that's going to contain a few mini games, so to speak. What we'll do is we'll have attackers and defenders as per usual. The attackers will be outside in deeply down. The defenders to start off with can be anywhere outside in these buildings. So defenders to start off with, you are outside in the surrounding buildings. When you are hit, you must make your way into the castle to defend the castle. The objective of the attacking team is to clear the defenders from the outside, and then they have to get in and touch the red flag. Okay? They've got to clear as many out of the castle as they can, get in and touch the red flag. Right? At that point, we will stop the game. Okay? All the defenders must then make their way down to halfway through where there is another flag. Okay? You've got to defend that flag. Attackers, you must get down and touch that flag. We will stop the game. We will then move the flag to another village, and you do the same again. Alright? Defenders, in the castle area, once you're hit in there, you just make your way down to halfway bridge anyway, which is straight down that way, looking for the blue flag. Alright? Is that pretty clear? Yeah. Yeah? So you're attacking this part first, touch the flag, stop the game, take halfway bridge, touch the flag, stop the game, and we move. So we're just going to keep it rolling. Okay? Alright, so defenders, and we're ready. Yeah. So anywhere outside to start off with. Stay out of the castle, you're not allowed in the castle until you are hit.
Hey, on the right, on the right.
Go. Another cover. Over. Fine. No, you're gonna get stuck in there.
Where is he? Where is he?
Inside the bunker there.
Oh, of course. Yeah.
Okay. Get out there, get out there. Alright, come on. He's in the bunker, watch out. Yeah, he's in the bunker.
It's not a grenade.
Yeah, good.
On the road to nowhere, come on inside. Alright, come on in here. Yeah, they all look cool, but see, look, they're coming around the background.
Yeah.
Woo!
And, get any other field box. Ready? Come on, yours.
there by the tree.
Oh, that's close, wherever that's come from.
Go ahead. You're not boxer. Yes.
Oh, hey! Who's inside the tower? Everyone inside, out!
Okay.
Flag, shot, we need you here! Right, here we go, Red, coming in already! They're coming in! Hold your bird, they're not in range yet, there's no point. You'll give away your position. Right! One right! Stay calm, hold on! Wait till the charge! More coming to the right! Straight feet to the middle! Straight right flank!
Left flank, runner! Sorry. All I saw was your leg, Marshal. Hand on heart.